How's it going, everybody? My name is Jack Cote, and I am coming live to you from my front porch. I hope you guys are doing well and staying positive. I encourage other musicians to do a live session and record it like this from their porch and tag it with hashtag From My Porch. A lot of really cool musicians and Rolling Stone magazine has been doing really great quarantine sessions, so I wanted to keep that trend going and start my own for my friends and I and any musician who sees this. So play from your porch, play for your neighbors, and have some fun with it. Here's a few of my original songs. This is my original song called Red Light Kisses. She's going home. It's out of her control. I don't remember when I last sat here alone. Well, tears stream down her beautiful face, looking through my pictures. You're the one I can't replace. Well, thoughts they soar like the wings of her plane. Oh, there's happiness hidden inside the pain. I don't know when, but I'll see you again. Thinking of you whenever I take a breath. Well, I miss you, red light kisses, and the way you hold my hand. Late night texts and morning talks, how can we go without your accent and your curly hair? I smile just to show I care. I'll miss your red light kisses. I can't wait for green again. I can't wait for green again. Sometimes I cry, and you know why. Oh, it's sad when you're not by my side, and I hear some faint McCartney with a teardrop in my eye. Elton John sings your song through the night. Well, I miss your red light kisses and the way you hold my hand. Late night texts and morning talks, how can we go without your accent and your curly hair? I smile just to show I care. I'll miss your red light kisses. I can't wait for green again. I can't wait for green again. And I'll see you when this all goes back to how it was. Just know I'm always here for you. And I'll miss your red light kisses and the way you hold my hand. Late night texts and morning talks, how can we go without your accent and your curly hair? I smile just to show I care. I'll miss your red light kisses. I can't wait for green again. I can't wait for green again. Awesome. So I hope you guys are all doing well at your houses and on your porches, and you're staying sane and you're staying positive and you're staying healthy. So this is a song that I wrote called Honest. Well, I'm just gonna be honest. Why check the mail twice a day? 'Cause I just wanna see if there is something you wanna say. Why do you have to live so far away? And I'm just gonna be honest. My heart, it shines when your name glows on my phone. I lie awake just wondering if you think about me too. Why does it have to be this way? And why? And why? 'Cause I don't wanna close my eyes or watch you walk away. And if I'm being honest, well, I wanted you to stay. And sometimes, well, I ask myself, why does it have to be this way? And why do you have to live so far away? And I'm just gonna be honest. Why think about the day we met? And I play it on repeat, oh, every night in my head. Why do you have to live so far away? And I'm just gonna be honest. Why think of you with my last name? 'Cause this amazing life you live, oh, I just wanna be a part of it. Why does it have to be this way? And why? And why? 'Cause I don't wanna close my eyes or watch you walk away. And if I'm being honest, well, I wanted you to stay. And sometimes, well, I ask myself, why does it have to be this way? And why do you have to live so? And why do you have to live so? And why do you have to live so far away? Here's another one of my tunes called Concrete Showers. Well, yes, I built a palace in my mind, with golden gates and memories locked inside. Just walking down the elegant halls, just basking in the light. And I know that it was wrong, but it felt so right. 'Cause I just built you up inside my head until the walls came crashing down. Yeah, I just built you up inside my head until it all came crashing down. Crashing down. Crashing down, 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 down. Crashing down. Well, brick by brick I laid the foundation for what I wanted this to be. And I wish that I could let you pass that gate, but these things are just for me. 'Cause I just built you up inside my head until it all came crashing down. Yeah, I just built you up inside my head until it all came crashing down. Oh, down. Crashing down, 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 down. Crashing down. The scraps of what could have been and what still could be, they surround me. Just shattered on cement below, debris floating in the breeze, like leaves from a season I had never seen. I wanna fly away, go back to the palace of familiarity. 'Cause I just built you up inside my head until the walls came crashing down. Yeah, I just built you up inside my head until it all came crashing down. Oh, down. Crashing down, down, down. Crashing down. And here's another one of my songs called All We Need. It's 2 a.m. I'm wide awake again with you by my side. The moon illuminates your face tonight, and I can still taste the red wine. We talk for hours, danced around and played Would You Rather, sang the lyrics wrong to September, and I can still taste the red wine. It's all we need. Some faint McCartney in the background of the scene. Long conversations about your passions in between. It's all we need. We'll be laughing over some distant memory. It's so easy to smile when I look into your eyes. Come on over. I wanna see you rest your head on my shoulder. I wanna see you, just wanna be with you tonight. It's all we need. Some faint McCartney in the background of the scene. Long conversations about the Beatles versus Queen. It's all we need. We'll be laughing over OJ and some tea. It's so easy to smile when I look into your eyes. This next one is called London Fog. She was the prettiest girl that I've ever seen. And I'd wave to say hello and she'd just smile at me. And I went there every morning, she was a part of my routine. With long hair and eyes that cared, she looked just like a queen. So now I sit alone in a coffee shop, just chasing a dream. Eyes closed in a heart that shine till the London fog rolls in. Write lyrics on a napkin just to let the time pass by. Eyes closed in a heart that shine till the London fog eroding. One day I got the courage to ask for her name, but she turned away with a nervous smile. It was such a shame. Well, years have passed since I've seen that friendly face. She got up and left town and disappeared without a trace. So now I sit alone in a coffee shop, just chasing a dream. Eyes closed in a heart that shine till the London fog rolls in. I write lyrics on a napkin just to let the time pass by. Eyes closed in a heart that shine till that London, till that London fog, oh, eroding. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Jack. Share this video, like it, and do your own From My Porch session. I'd love to see what you guys have. 'Cause I just wonder what it'd be like to kiss you. And I know I shouldn't think